Good morning, my dear little ones. Today, let's learn AVS at the farm. Children, do you love animals? Yes, we all love animals. In the previous class, we have learned about wild animals. Animals live in jungle. And today, let's learn about the animals at the farm. Farm animals. Do you know what is a farm? Yes, farm is a place where we grow plants or animals. This is the picture of a animal farm. You can see many animals in this farm. Now children, let's go to the farm and meet the farm animals. Are you coming with me? Ox, sheep, cow, hen, duck, dog, donkey, horse, rooster, goat, rabbit, cat. Now let's meet each animal in the farm. This is a cow. Cow gives us milk. Do you drink cow's milk? It's a gentle animal. So it's a cow. Ox. It's a male animal. It does not give us milk. Ox is used to do farm work. Hen. Hen gives us eggs. We all eat hen's eggs. Duck. Duck also gives us eggs. It can swim in water. Rooster, also called cock. It's a male chicken and it does not give us eggs. Dog. Dog guards our house. This animal is our best friend. Sheep. Sheep gives us wool. Wool is used to make woolen clothes. Donkey. Donkey is used to carry loads. Horse. Horse can run very fast. We use horse for riding and to pull carts. Goat. Goat give us milk. They are very gentle animal. Cat. Cats are very gentle and playful. Rabbit. Rabbits are very gentle. They have long ears. They love carrots. Ox, sheep, cow, hen, duck, dog, donkey, horse, rooster, goat, rabbit, cat.
Horse, cow, donkey, sheep, chick, hen, duck, cock, cat,
So that's all for today, dear children. Learn the name of these farm animals. Bye. Take care.